Alright. Yang gabi. Good evening. Alright, next we will um continue, alright, with our lesson, and this is Module 6, si Dorothea Orem. Si Dorothea Orem. Guys, ano si Dorothea Orem? Ano, Brian? Si Dorothea Orem, Dorothea Orem, self-deficit model. Self-care deficit model. So, self-care deficit model. Person self-care deficits are okay. The model is a collection of three interrelated theories. Guys, three interrelated theories. All right. Self-care deficit, and nursing systems. All right. These are nursing systems. Ari siyang tatlo. Tandaan, ang tatlo nga niyo, ari siya. Okay? Ari siya. Ari siya. All right. The focus of OREM's model is to enhance the person's ability for self-care, and this also extends to the care of dependents. Guys, tandaan si Dorothea Orem, guys. Dorothea Orem, self-care. Alright? Self-care meaning yeah, lang. Alright, self-care. Selfish, Dorothea Orem, self-care deficit model. Ano ni siya, sir, ang self-care deficit model, meaning self-care, paano ka maghalong sa self mo. Okay, self-care, what people do on their own to stay alive, healthy, and happy. Okay, self-care, what people do, ano Brian, self-care, what people do on their own to stay alive, healthy, and happy. Example, ano na ang example sa mga self-care? Brushing teeth, inom tubig, tulog, kaon, alright? Tinanong self-care deficit. Self-care deficit, when someone can take care of themselves fully. Right? When someone can take care of themselves fully. Example na, a patient after surgery can't bathe alone. So, hindi ka paligo ang pasyente tapos isang surgery or ang bata, hindi iya mapakaon niya kaugalingon. Okay? Mga lapsag. Alright? Amo na siya si self-care deficit. Karon, sa system, theoretical theories, sa moderate realism. Taas ka na luto, Nay? Taas ka na luto? Way pa? Ito gunting sa likod sa wifi. Alright. There are three systems that exist within professional nursing practice model. Guys, there are three systems that exist within this professional nursing practice model. Guys, ano ni ang tatlo? Ang nursing systems. How nurses help depending on how much the patient can or cannot do. So guys, depende sa kung ano kaya obrahon, kag hindi kaya obrahon ni patient. So ano na una? Wholly compensatory system. Whole, holy, holy, whole, whole compensatory system. Nurse provides total care. Total care. Meaning ano siya? Meaning, nurses does everything. Ang nurse ang nag-obra sang tanan. Example sa ano, mga lapsag. O, di ba? Lapsag hindi nila kaya nila ya manglabay, hindi nila kaya magluto sa nila pagkaon. Hindi sila gani kastorya mayo. Okay? No, brother, ni nurse, siya ga-obra sang tanan. O, are, partially compensatory system. Ano yung partially? Nurse and patient share responsibility for care. O, nurse nag-help, but the patient also helps. Okay, amo nga ba ko? Nurse and patient share responsibility for care. Okay? Ano example? Tapos ang aksidente, nagatuon ang pasyente lakat liwat. So nagabulig ang nurse. Alright, nabuligan niya lakat liwat. Alright? Partial lang. Hindi tanan gyud nga kabilugan, kundi partial lang. Guys, ang ari, supportive educative system, apos lang niya, ano na ba sa supportive educative system? Guys, ang pasyente, kabalo siya mag-ubra. Pero, kinahanglan sang teaching kag support. Amo lang na. Kinahanglan sang support kag sang education sang patient, pero kaya ya obrahon. So, client is primary responsibility for personal health with nurse acting as a consultant. Okay? Consultancy nurse. So, ari siya guys, example. Nan, okay? Basahan nyo lang. Guys, ang tawag ni, ang purpose pala ng self-care deficit is alagaan ni ni patient iya kaugalingon mo amo wala na mo so ginapilit or gina-encourage naton nga alagaan ni patient ang iya kaugalingon as nurses buligan tudloan kag i-assess naton ang mga patient kung paano alagaan ang ila nga kaugalingon same man na guys sa CHN di ba CHN paano nila bulungon nila kaugalingon kaya hindi sila magsalig sa ano kaya di ba layo sila ng lugar something like that so guys it's self care man siya gyapon alright. Basic premise of the model is that individuals can take responsibility of their health. Oh, take responsibility of their health and the health of others. Ang mga siya namin ko. Kaya nga, it is based upon the philosophy that all patients wish to care for themselves. So meaning tanan nga pasyente guys, ginapangabay nila or gina-wish nila nga alagaan nila ila nga kaugalingon. Okay, so kita nga nurses man i-encourage buligan kag tudloan sila naton paano alagaan ang ila nga kaugalingon. Alright? Major concepts and definitions, self-care requisites. Guys, requisites, mga metal requisites, mga kinanlanon. Alright, requisites, mga kinanlanon. Okay? So, universal, those needs, okay? Universal self-care requisites, universal, tanan, of course. Ano na siya? Yung mga requisites, guys, include air, water, food, elimination, activity, and rest. Alright? Sa developmental, those needs are related to development of the individual, of course, engagement in self-development, mga muna bala. And health deviation requisites, ano siya? Include all pathology conditions or disorders which include defects, deformities, and disabilities. This require medical intervention and management. Alright, sige. Next, let's go. Si goal attainment theory. Guys, si Imogen King, babae or lalaki? Lalaki, hindi guys, babae siya. King lang ang pilido ya. Imogen King. Alright, para sa kilala nyo, King. Alright, Imogen King is reacting systems, framework, and goal attainment theory. Guys, basta tandaan, ginawa ko na sa last. Si Imogen King, ang King, may goal. Sino ang may goal? Si King. Si Imogen King. Imogen King may goal. Ano siya? Goal attainment theory. Goal attainment theory. Alright, ano yung obra sa goal attainment theory? Baka mo itong luto mo, noy. Natapos na ako na yung dasil ako. Alright, so Imogen King, ano siya? She was a nurse who believed that good nursing is about teamwork between the nurse and the patient. Guys, Gina, yan naman ako na balik-balik siyang nursing, liwat-liwat, of course. Gina, si si Dorothea Orem, tudloan mo ang patient, buligan mo ang patient, kag i-assistan. Ini si Imogen King guys, ang ginapanongdom niya, may partner siya, which is si patient. Ang partner ni nurse, si patient. Okay? Karon partner sila para sa isa ka goal. Alright? Para sa isa ka goal. Alright? Nursing is an observable behavior found in the healthcare systems in society that aims to help individuals maintain their health so that they can function their roles. So guys, ari, there are three interrelated systems. Una, personal systems. Okay? King said, si King, okay, interacting system frameworks. Okay? Duwa ka bilog ng theory, guys. Unang interacting system framework, kagang goal attainment theory. Sa interacting system, guys, may tatlo na siya, ka-system, niya framework. King said that people's lives are like systems. Okay, the sistema na groups that work together. Amo na ang sistema. She divided them into three levels. Ano ini? Personal, interpersonal, kag social system. Oh, personal, guys. Personal, of course, ang body image, growth, development, perception, self, space, and time. When two or more persons interact, they form an interpersonal system. So, personal, ikaw. Okay? Magiging interpersonal lang na kung mag-interact ka na sa piyak nga personal man. Okay? So, ano na siya? Interpersonal composed of the concepts of communication. Kita mo, di ba? Dua, communication. Siya and ikaw, ga-communicate mo. Interaction, role, of course, kay may role ka mo. Stress and transaction. A comprehensive interactive system is composed of groups that make up a society. This results in social system. Karon interpersonal na, 'di ba? Tapos ng personal ikaw, interpersonal sa isa to, okay? Nurse patient. And next is social system. Anong social? Composed of concepts of authority, decision making, organization. Okay, social, organization, power and status or status. Alright? Bigger groups na niya si social system like school, family, okay, hospital, government, culture. Okay? Next, goal attainment theory. Goal attainment theory, this is the heart of our idea, guys. Amo niya ang iya rason, ang iya idea. Ano ni? Health goals should be set together by nurse and patient. So duwagi dapat. Health goals should be set together by the nurse and the patient. This is a middle range theory that is product of developments of our interacting systems framework. So amo ni ang produkto sa iya nga interacting systems framework. Guys, the theory stated that mutual goal setting between a nurse and client is based on what? Nurse's assessment of the client's concerns, problems, and disturbance in health. Okay? Kung anong ginassess ni nurse na concern, problema ni patient, dira na mabase kung ano ang goal. Alright? Dira na ma-check sang goal setting. Alright? Kaya mabuli guys, si nurse kag si patient para ma-attain ang goal. Sino ganun ang may goal? Seeking. Alright? Nurses and clients' perceptions of the interference, nurses and clients sharing of information wherein each functions to help the maintain the client attain the goals identified. The theory also maintained that nurses interact with family members when clients can verbally participate in the goal setting. Alright, 8 propositions, guys, related to goal attainment theory. Read nyo na lang. This is very self-explanatory, pero pagyan lang natin. Alright, if the perceptual accuracy is present in the nurse-client interactions, then, kung okay, accurate, okay, si nurse kag si client interactions, transactions will occur. Okay? If a nurse and client make transaction, kung mag-transaction na sila, ammonia, blah, 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 ammonia. Guys, may ano sila, may goal na sila. Goals will be attained. Kaya nga, nag-transact sila duwa. Okay? Accurate sila duwa. Nag-interact, tapos interact, nag-transact. Pagtapos transact, may goal sila. Okay? If goals are attained, then satisfaction will occur. Tapos ang goal, kung natin ang goal, satisfaction. If goals are attained, then effective nursing care will occur. Of course, effective ang nursing care kay natin ang goal. Alright, if transaction within nurse interactions, the growth development will be enhanced. Okay, will be enhanced. If the role's expectations and role performance is perceived by the nurse and client are congruent, then transactions will result. If role conflict, what na nagyapan. Okay? If nurses with special knowledge and skills communicate appropriate information to clients, then mutual goal setting and goal attainment will occur. Alright. Perception, stress, the self, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Read nyo na lang guys. Okay? Theory assumptions of focus on nursing is the care of the human being, of course, patient. Ay, ala na, gyud naman eh. The goal of nursing is to care both individuals and groups. Okay. And that's it.